Welcome, Poor Man 469 here. I've got I don't know what year it is. It's a Lance vintage scooter. Okay, I've got the rear part of the body taken off, and the problem with it is that it was really hard starting last year and didn't run properly. And this year it will not start at all. Well, I you just about have to strip the thing down as far as the body goes to get to anything. So I did that. Tucked the carburetor off there. Took it apart, soaked it for 2 days, put it back on. It still wouldn't start. And so I got to thinking, well, maybe compression, you know, and got to thinking a little bit more, and just happened to move around here to that exhaust, which I hope you can see that. And since it's been setting such a long time, it uh, it looked like it had like where a dirt dauber had built uh, its nest up around the inside of that. So I scraped that off, and I was trying to crank it over, and I wasn't getting nothing out of the exhaust. So I took a rod and stuck in that small exhaust hole right there. Hope you can see that. And pulled out a little more what looked to be like a dirt dauber's nest. So I took the exhaust off. Let's see, one bolt, two, three. There's one down here under the muffler, and then I don't know if you can see them or not. Probably not. But anyway, there's two up there where the pipe hooks into the head or the exhaust port. Anyway, tuck it off. Tuck it over there and run a wire up through there and put air into it, and just kept doing that and kept getting more and more and more out. And finally took an air hose and blew through uh, the inlet of the exhaust manifold, and it was blowing dirt out the the rear end of it. So kept doing that. I did that for about 20-30 minutes, and uh, finally put the muffler back on. Figured I had it pretty well cleaned out, and here's the end result of cleaning the muffler out. Well, starts good, runs fair, and all that because of a dirt dauber's nest in the exhaust. So I've noticed a lot of videos on these scooters not starting that set a while and stuff like that. So might be a good thing to check for is a clogged up exhaust system. So that'll pretty much wrap it up for today. I wish I'd shot the whole process, but I didn't. I never thought about it in time. So okay, it's Poor Man 469. We'll catch you on the next one. Okay, just a little reminder. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. There's a lot more videos coming. And hit the like button. Give us a thumbs up. Help us out here. Get us started. So have a good one. Bye.